Oh my gosh. Let's fucking go, man. Fucking go. Suffering. Only before, dude. Love always wins, people. Love always wins. Good morning, world. Welcome to another vlog. As you guys know, it's time for another cold plunge sesh. It's 5:20 in the morning. It's Wednesday already. I didn't feel like recording anything on Monday and Tuesday, so fighting those demons. So as every morning, go get out there, people, and do what's necessary to be happy. Let's go. After the ice bath, I'm in the bathtub. Back. That's the best protocol ever. Telling you people, right after waking, jumping into the ice bath, the ice barrel, however you wanna call it, and then recovering on a warm shower or warm bath for 10-15 minutes. It's magical. You're so awake, you're so fresh, and the day can start. So let's continue enjoying. So it's laundry time, making my towels from the sauna. It's like 6 a.m. in the morning. Today is a recovery day, so I'm anyway only going for 1 hour easy sled pull behind my ass. And I'm gonna go after the morning coffee. This one takes like 3 hours, like this laundry for 60 degrees. So it's so exciting. You guys gonna see my vlog how I'm making laundry. Gosh. You see 60 Zeit sparen, almost 3 hours. Here we go. Let's make a coffee and then go for a ride. Alright, people, it's time. It's time to get ready and wake up the whole neighborhood, guys. Wake up the whole neighborhood. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm like 600 meters in, and now it's gonna go uphill for almost 1.5 kilometers. I feel it already. It's gonna be a long 1 hour. A long 1 hour. On the thoughts, people. My freaking shoulders hurt. I have no idea what I'm doing here. No idea what I'm doing here. But I guess I have to do it in order to prepare for Sweden. It's not far away. It's like 1.5 months until the race, and I'm fucking excited and don't know what to expect. So doing the hard stuff, the workouts that suck, and hope they're gonna bring me to the next level. Let's continue. On grass, it's even tougher. You see that? Oh, my back hurts. Yep, some little food, Königer protein bread and some gemüse. No idea. Gonna destroy that thing now. Gonna take my supplements and continue working. Checking out my YouTube for the next vlog. Thanks for the support, guys. Really, thanks for the support. I'm gonna try to incorporate some more vlogs, and right now working. Let's cook something to eat. It's lunchtime. Anyway, we have sweet potatoes. We're gonna have some veggies from Costa, and we're gonna throw in a nice fillet steak from Aldi, and that's what we're doing right now. How does that look like, huh? That looks fantastic. Wow. People, I'm creating right now something insane. Muscular endurance program, 20 minutes run. And then we're doing split squats for 8 sets. 1 minute break between sets. 10% body weight. And then we're going into box step ups. That's gonna kill some people for sure. And we're gonna progressively reduce the rest, increase the sets over time. That's gonna be nuts. Feeling tired. Like eating some burgers. I would love to have some Burger King today. It's Wednesday, it's the middle of the week, so I arrived in the peak, not in the peak, in the, what is that of English? In the valley of sadness, not sadness, of energy lowness, and then tomorrow I'm gonna start rising, and on Friday, and I'm gonna crash after the 12-hour night run. Here at the sauna, people, Thursday evening, last recovery session before starting the night run tomorrow at 5 to 5, and then then I'm gonna go for a full day of work in the backyard. Excited. Let's fucking go. Good morning, world. It's race day, and funny story, I wanted to sleep in today, but I woke up automatically at 5, had to go pee, then lay down again, had to poop, lay down again, had to poop one second time. So now it's 5:15, I'm fully awake, and yeah, well, it's gonna be a long day and a long night. Let's go. We don't care. We're going into that shit. Guys, I was already working, had my coffee, but still the urge to jump in here was there, so here the ice was suffering tonight. Let's go. Puts day, clean day. I have a party tonight, that's for sure. Kaiserschmarrn, Weißwürstle. What else do you want? Alright, just recorded a reel for you guys, and here's for the vlog, what I'm taking with me. One more time. Start with Bionade, or what I'm gonna do. Adding a Weiss beer with a bunch of drinks, with a bunch of normal food, as you can see, and we have a bunch of dry mangoes, a bunch of gels, a lot of caffeine, some pickles, and some terrinis and some noodles. That's pretty much it, pretty simple. Let's fucking go. Alrighty, so Alex is here preparing for our first loop, 20 kilometers, 2 times 20, 1 time 10, and then we're going into 6.5 kilometer loops in the forest. That's the plan. Let's see how we can execute it, and we're gonna have a lot of fun tonight with some demons and wild boars. Strong pace, first round. Wir haben gezeigt in der Garage, wo ich das hingetan habe. Let's fucking go. I would say another one. 3.5 hours in, 35k. Cannot complain, people. Cannot complain. With this beauty right here with Ollie.
Let's fucking go.
Nick, Alex, dream team, people. Fucking dream team. Fucking dream, boys.
Fucking go.
Backstreet Boys. Let's go. 8.5 hours left, people. 8.5 hours. If this is not gonna go viral on YouTube, this is gonna be my final vlog. Gonna stop that shit. So much work editing that shit. No, just kidding. Love you guys. Alright, people. Halfway. And I feel definitely the body. I feel the legs, I feel my lower back. Nick is here filming.
Hello, what's up?
And 2 vlogs at once, huh? With my phone and with his professional camera. And yeah, but spirit is high. I love to be here. Love always wins, people. Love always wins. Always remember, it's gonna be a long fucking night. Didn't even start it yet. And beautiful, but beautiful. Beautiful to be in this pain cave. Yep. Now we're talking. Fucking coffee and gel. Alright, people, I have to poop every fucking bit right now. Oh, fuck. Nice. Oh, it's 1 a.m. There's definitely better things to do at 1 a.m. than pooping and throwing up in here in the forest, but I guess it's part of the game, right? Part of the game. Enjoying life. Let's go, people. Alright, people. We have 1 more hour left. 1 hour and 10 minutes. No, 8 minutes. Let's see how many kilometers. Yes, like 10 kilometers. Perfect. 10k. 6-minute pace. I'm gonna take it easy now. And the last 5, we're gonna pace. So we're gonna finish right on 12 hours. Let's fucking go. Gonna fucking finish that thing on 100k. Thanks to those badasses.
Fucking
Look at
monster.
those.
No,
people,
no,
dude.
this guy is the craziest machine.
Like it's 3 a.m. in the morning, they're riding with their motherfucking bikes at 0 degrees, no like gloves, with me every fucking loop. I was alone on 1 loop and that's it. That's a fucking, this is actually too easy. I'm gonna run again 100k now, but alone. No, just kidding. Final 5, baby. Let's go. Fucking maniacs. It's fucking 4 a.m. in the morning. People, we fucking made it. It's like 100k in 12 hours. Like I made it under 12. Alright in time. And now I'm tired. Now to bed and then fucking work in the backyard. Let's fucking go, man.
Let's fucking go right there.
Let's fucking go. Good night. Good morning, world. Didn't sleep a lot. Good morning, world. Didn't sleep a lot, maybe 1 hour. But that's fine. Full of adrenaline. Body hurts a little bit. Now it's time to work. Look at this. Weißwurst Frühstück, Olli tired as fuck.
Geiler Scheiß.
Ja. Alright, 3 hours of work in. We're all super tired, man. We're kind of smoked, but that's how it is. And gonna eat something from the snack bar and then right to the recycling hole. and bring that shit back, and then relax. Because we're tired. I'm gonna repeat myself again. Let's go. Alright, it's 7:45 p.m. Time to go for bed. It's a long freaking day, people. As you can see on my eyes, they're already falling apart, dude. Good night. Thanks for watching the vlog. See you guys next time. And always push the limits.